Hey, Growmies, what's going on? It is Uncle Ben, and this is our week 16 update. This week, we're going over hydrotropism. What is it? How does it affect your plants and your grow? Hey, we're going over our autoflower, that's latent flower. We're about ready to cut it in a couple weeks. What to look for in that. Also, we still got our giveaway going on. So stay tuned and keep it locked in.
He's popping the seeds and growing the greens, building that soil with the cleanest means. Sunshine, water, healthy plants from end to end. You're growing with Uncle Ben.
Growing Uncle Ben is sponsored by True Organic, a worldwide leader in organic fertilizers. Their products are 100% pathogen-free and designed to build living soil so your plants can thrive. Growing with Uncle Ben is also sponsored by Mr. Mike's Premium Worm Castings, packed with beneficial microbes and natural nutrients to bring life back into your soil. When it comes to organic growing, I trust NEPTUNE'S Harvest. Their organic fertilizers are products in the ocean to set your plants in motion. From roots to blooms, it shows amazing results in everything you grow. Growing with Uncle Ben is sponsored by Torch Mode Studios. They create AI-powered cinematic visuals, commercials, and promo reels built to make your brand impossible to ignore. They take your ideas and elevate the vibe of your business. When attention is the game, they help you rise above the noise. Torch Mode Studios. Ignite your brand.
Torch Mode!
Now look at this. This is our strawberry cheesecake autoflower, courtesy of my man F. Bill. So we're coming up to the end. You can see how the buds are still stacking. They're getting big. The colas are getting big, fading. So at this point, I'm backing off everything. I'm not even giving it fish and seaweed fertilizer. I'm stopping molasses, everything. It's just water. Even that is just as an ad needed basis. Just let the plant finish, because what you don't want to do is two things. Feeding latent flower, one, it doesn't make sense because you're just wasting feed. It's going to be more feed in the ground than the plant uptake. Also, when you don't give a chance for your plant to take and fully process all those nutrients out, it makes the smoke more harsh, and it kind of degrades the quality of your smoke. So you want to make sure that that last 2-3 weeks you're not giving it anything, just letting it ride out, let it finish. It'll finish stacking up. But yeah, this one came out really, really good. Now let's talk about hydrotropism.
Have you ever wondered how a plant knows where water is underground? Roots don't grow randomly. The tip of every root is constantly sensing its environment. It can detect moisture, gravity, oxygen, nutrients, and even obstacles in the soil. When one side of the root tip senses more moisture than the other, plant hormones called auxins redistribute, causing the root to bend toward the water. Scientists call this hydrotropism. Just behind the root tip are thousands of microscopic root hairs. These tiny structures dramatically increase the root's surface area, allowing the plant to absorb more water and nutrients. Healthy roots are constantly exploring, branching, and searching for the resources the plant needs to survive. The healthier your soil, the healthier your roots, and healthy roots build healthy plants. Keep it growing.
Hey, Growmies, remember, the link to the products that I use here on the show is in the description to this video. So go ahead, give it a click and pick up something. All right, it's that time of the week, Fish and Seaweed Fertilizer. So remember, we got our mix jar. Give it a good shake. I like to keep, so I'm giving a 2-count pour. Count 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. Remember, our Fish and Seaweed Fertilizer, that's our micro boost for our soil here. And Liquid Humate 12, all the enzymes that those microbes need to populate. So we can get a 1-2 punch. So I've already pre-filled this. So I'll keep one of these 1-gallon jugs as a mixed jug. I'll put my nutrients in here, shake it up, make sure they're really diluted in the water. I've already pre-filled this 2-gallon jug with 1 gallon of water. So the growers who follow me, you know how I do it. Now, again, Fish and Seaweed Fertilizer has a 2-3-1 NPK ratio. But really, I'm not feeding my plants just because of the NPK ratio. I'm doing it because it's really good for the microbial life in the soil. But you also want to be mindful that it does have nitrogen and stuff in it, so you don't want to overfeed. But so here we go. This is our sugar rush. This is looking like a sativa here. Longer buds start early in the season. So again, you want to pour this nice and slow, soak the whole entire soil, because again, this is putting microbial life right back into your soil. So yeah, this sugar rush here, courtesy of my man Got Juice. How it's stacking up. You see how these are stacking real tall and lanky, how the buds are forming. You can tell that this is a sativa heavy hybrid. So I'm gonna give it my man Got Juice and figure out what's the cross on this sugar rush. But it's looking like a sativa heavy cross. So now let's check out some pictures from the Growmies on Discord. First up, we got my man Pop Tards. He's asking what's wrong with his plant. It's looking a little stunted. You got look like purpling stems there a little bit. I would definitely back off any feeding and also watch your watering. I think you got some meters there. I'm not showing what they're measuring, but look at your moisture in your soil. It looks like your roots may be getting choked up a little bit. Back off, let the roots dry out so the plant can start, stretching. No defoliation and no more training until the plant get back on track. Next up, we have my man Jason. Look at these. These are some healthy plants there. Look, he got it blended into the background. I like how my man thinks. You can't even tell until you look. Look real hard. Strong work, brother. Keep it up. This looks good. And look at this watermelon here. This looks healthy, man. My watermelon plant got decimated by spider mites and just destroyed it, man. This looks great. Man, please tell me how it tastes. Cut it open or something and show some pictures. Strong work, brother. All right, Growmies, that was our week 16 update. Make sure you like and subscribe. Also, remember, we have our contest giveaway about Fish and Seaweed Fertilizer, Liquid Humate 12. 3 lucky winners win this. So make sure what you do, you got to go on Discord on the general chat channel. You're going to type in all caps, no spaces, Uncle Ben hook me up. If you did it right, I'll reply with a looking eyes emoji. If you did it wrong, you won't see nothing. All right, that's it, Growmies. Keep it growing.
He's popping the seeds and growing the greens, building that soil with the cleanest means. Sunshine, water, healthy plants from end to end. You're growing with Uncle Ben.